Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you've all been staying healthy and staying home. Today what we're going to be doing is we're just going to decorate these two Starbucks cups that you see right here using some Cricut vinyl as usual. I am using holographic ones today. We're actually going to be using a strong grip mat. The first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to pick out our designs. For this one right here, we're just going to do a cute little simple design, and for the mermaid one, we are going to add some scallops to it. So let's go ahead and get started. This obviously is going to be the one for the mermaid. The only thing is that this is too large for what I want to do, so what I'm going to do to just make it a little bit smaller is I am going to grab a shape. So I'm just going to grab a square, that much, so I'm just going to unlock it, turn it into a rectangle, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice it here. That way you can see that just takes everything out. And there we go. So what I'm gonna do, since my mat is just too big and I don't want to have to worry about taking this all off, I'm just gonna tape it here. Tape my orange holographic down. Make sure we change our settings to vinyl. And just go ahead and stick it through. I also did the scallops a little bit different. What I did was I ended up taking this, but instead of using this for my cup like this, I am just going to use bits and pieces of this one right here. And we're just gonna put these on wherever I feel it'll look nice and just kind of fill in the space in our mermaid cup. So I'll put these to the side in case I need some more. We are going to grab some transfer tape. And we're just gonna do a little piece of this. So I'm just gonna put these to the side. Grab our transfer tape. Whoops, we're gonna peel this off from the top. We're just gonna put this aside. I am going to put this one right here. Just put it on there. And just peel off our our transfer tape. And we're going to go ahead and just do this again. This one I'm gonna do right here on this side. So just make sure it's stuck on there. Like that. So I'm just gonna add one more of these. So just sometimes I will have a hard time picking up the vinyl because I keep reusing it, but I mean it's not an issue. So actually this one I'm gonna put right here. I feel like I want to fill in this space a little bit. So let me just cut out some more real quick. I got carried away with the smaller part and I ended up doing that instead of this little part right here, but I'm still gonna do it. So yeah, so now I can't decide if I want to take my mermaid cup or if I want to take my other little flower cup that's sitting right there and put my name on that one and, you know, just enjoy the day when I get to go back and drink my caramel macchiatos with an extra shot. But yeah, let me know what you guys like to drink. I'm not too adventurous. I would like to try new things. But sometimes it's just like, if I don't like it, do I have to pay for it? Or, you know, do I get a grande? Do I get a tall? Do I get a venti? Am I gonna like it? You know? And there you go. We have these that are left over. I honestly will probably just toss this or just keep with my little scraps just in case, you know, I want to do something else with it later on. This cup, I just did the flowers on it, and for the very first time, my camera died as I was putting this on here. I'm going to add my name to it and my order. So what I'm gonna do, I did my name in the same holographic . At the very top right here, obviously I don't ever get decaf, so who cares if I cover up a little bit of the decaf. So I get caramel macchiatos, with extra caramel. Sometimes if I need the extra boost, I'll get an extra shot. Honestly, I cannot wait. The very first day that Starbucks is open in store, I'm running in with my cup literally running in with my cup. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed making these Starbucks cups with me. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and we'll be back with more videos.